In this session, we're still busy with module parameters. We're going to click on Stock, Deliveries and Collections, and then we click on Setup. And we're going to look at Maintain Status Types, and we click on Setup. I've added 4 options here already. These status types will now be the options that will appear under processing. Let me show you the differences that I've got here. The first one, I'm going to edit. You can click on Add. So you specify the code, you specify your description. Then you've got to check or mark if this specific option has left the store already. In other words, has the stock item left the store or not? In my case, it will not be. Must save info to processing, and or if you don't want to, I've specified that I also wanted to print the specific option if I process this. If you do specify print, you must specify a printer and then also layout. Now, you've got to specify for which processing module must this store option be available. For quotes, for sales orders, and I also specified invoices and credit notes. For each processing module, you must just have one default. I'm going to click on Accept. I'm going to show you another option. I'm going to click on Delivery. Now in this case, I have said that the stock has left the store, but I don't need sales orders and quotes for this option. And I don't need to specify the default option for invoice because I've already done it. If I now check default here, this option is going to be the default option that's going to appear when I do an invoice. So I don't want that. My default that I want to appear when I do an invoice must be store. So let me just show you what I've done with collected by client. Same scenario, I don't need to specify a default because I've already specified a default for invoicing. And that concludes this session.